Hey guys, Cyrus again. I've still got a cold. It's actually like been a second since I did the last video, but that's not the point. We're gonna do how to make a helicopter land where you want him to. So what we're gonna do is we're going to give him a waypoint around here to fly up to here. Then we're going to give him another waypoint, which is land. Then we're going to get an invisible helipad, which is in props, and if you just search invisible, come up there, signs helipads otherwise. Then you're going to take that land waypoint, you're going to drag it over the invisible helipad so it's got that reticle, and then let it go and it'll link it to the helipad, and then you just put the helipad exactly where you want it. Now, this isn't foolproof. They will sometimes be Arma AI, but we'll see how we go. There we go. Simple as that. That's how you make that happen. Oh look, I'm out of time. Jesus, I hate this cold.